Get in there and do
Like that. Do I look good?
You can't sit like that.
Come on, Sam.
You've got a wicked spread, mate.
Welcome to Jackass.
Thinking what to say.
Is it actually rolling right now? Well, we need to practice go then. Say,
Yeah, but-
hi, I'm Hayden Gleeson from Gleeson Fencing.
But you're Blake.
Hi, I'm Blake.
I'm good, Hayden. Hi, I'm Hayden.
And I'm Blake.
Gleeson. We wouldn't recommend any more. Oh, that was that up.
And we wouldn't recommend anyone else.
Yep, there you go.
Yeah, but you I'm skipping up. You get a piece of cardboard and just write it, and we'll read. Hi, I'm Hayden.
And I'm Blake.
From Gleeson Fencing, we fence all over the New England.
Right, go.
Hi, I'm Hayden.
And I'm Blake.
From Gleeson Fencing, we fence all over the New England and Northwest region. We deal with double R for all our machinery, attachments and service needs. We would highly recommend Jordan and the team here in Tamworth to anyone. We deal with double R for all your machinery, attachments and service needs. We fence all over the New England and Northwest. We deal with double R for all our machinery and attachments and service needs.